Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're gonna be really working on the shed and getting all the pieces that are white or the tan roof and red trim pieces painted over the charcoal black, because we're doing a burnished slate side, which is like a darker brown, and then all the trim pieces are charcoal black that we ordered. So the garage doors we have here are white, and the roof and the old trim pieces are, well, the roof is tan and the trim pieces are red. So we're gonna be fixing all that in this video, so enjoy. Let's get right into it. So here we got the single garage door. This is white from, it's like a Menards insulated garage door, so they don't offer them in many colors. And so since we were going with charcoal black and they're able to mix charcoal black exterior paint for us, we ended up doing that. So we got Dutch Boy, what is it called? Exterior paint. It's the best one you have. So this is the less diluted one. So it cures in 90 minutes, which is awesome. So last night we were trying with a battery powered spray gun, but it was having to be diluted, so we didn't want to dilute our expensive paint, so we ended up just using a roller on these doors. But as you can see, the roller needs multiple coats, so we actually went out to our rental place here at Rental City and we got a heavy duty spray gun. So this thing is a spray gun meant for paints that aren't diluted, so you don't have to dilute this spray gun. It should be able to handle it. So we're gonna end up using this to finish off the doors, paint the big double door, and then go on the roof. Because as you can see, the roof is half black right now, but it's kind of patchy, and that was because we were using that other spray gun and it wasn't doing good, and then it clogged up. And then we went to Rental City and we got a heavy duty paint gun and a generator, even though I think we have one of these at home. It's just we've never used it and we've had it for years, so probably wouldn't work if we were to try and use it now. So we also just rented a generator while we were at it. So yeah, we're gonna go for it and see how these this air gun works, or paint sprayer works. So we got our little ice cream bucket of paint. We put some paint into this little guy because instead of using the 5-gallon bucket and moving it all the way down here just for the doors, we're just gonna use that. We'll put that nozzle into the 5-gallon paint when we're at the shed, when we need a whole bunch of paint. But time to fire up this generator. So we got this machine all primed up and ready to go. It's just a simple nozzle thing right here, and as you can see, it came out the prime. We also got the generator going, and Dad is gonna give it a shot. I kind of want to paint. I don't want him to paint, but yeah, we'll see. I'll let him paint for a little, and then I'll probably take over because I love painting. Okay guys, so I don't know how much my dad filmed of this, but it was gonna get cold pretty quick, so we were moving insanely fast. But look at that, the whole roof is now black, all the trim's black along the sides, and over here we got our garage doors black. So yep, all we need to do now is just a few other small things like our big double garage door and the man door, and there was one more thing we had to do. What was the one thing you were gonna paint tomorrow? Man door. Oh, well, I just said that. He said the man door. Oh, I'm on a ladder right now. But yeah, I think it turned out super sweet. That gun, I was literally just like down the whole thing, down the whole thing, just rib by rib, and it went by so fast. So that's awesome. I love that gun. That's amazing. If you guys are thinking about painting any kind of building, definitely the way to go. Do not paintbrush it or roll it. Just buy one of these, tape off what you don't want sprayed, and go crazy. That was the fastest and most nice painting I've ever done in my life. Because everything laid on super smooth then too. It's just overall amazing. Definitely recommend. So that's it for today, but we're gonna cut to the next time we're out here working on the shed. So for me, it'd probably be a couple days or something. For you, it's just gonna be like... Okay guys, so my truck is decommissioned because you'll see a video soon of what I'm doing to it. So we got Ryland's truck and we're gonna go pick up all the siding for the shed. It finally showed up. So yeah. Hey, Ryland, drive me around to the gate. Huh? Drive me around to the gate. Oh yeah. This is what I call trailer surfing. Hopefully I don't die. I can't. I'll sacrifice myself over this $1,000 camera. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I gotta close the gate up, boys. Oh, this is so sketchy. This feels like a treadmill. That thing will be getting some love soon. Right now, that trailer looks like it shall be on the scrapyard, but not for long. Gotta close these up so nobody can enter. Just like that, we're all locked up and ready to go. We've got the materials. The Ram 1500, boy. Look at all the materials. Sheesh. What would have we done without this trailer, man? So yeah, now we're gonna go pull it over to the shed. Oh yeah. We're backing up. Oh jeez. Yep. Keep her coming. Whee. Property's so beautiful, guys. Oop. Now we're going this way. We're gonna park her right between the trailers and the flagpole. That's the game plan.
Try to keep this still as possible.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Looking good, man. Looking good. Bring her on in. Oh, shoot. I'm literally stuck. Keep her coming. We covered up our light with the flag. Whoops. And that one doesn't work. It stopped working on us. And we put a new bulb in it when we got to Menards and it still didn't work. Okay. Okay. I gotta take a bathroom break. Also, an update to the shed. Oh, I almost fell. An update to the shed here. We got these garage doors mocked up. So, as you can see, we got them all painted black. They turned out insanely sweet. Well, I'm acting like it's plural, but the other one's on the other side, that's why. But yeah, you can see the picture here. This side is literally just gonna be a huge garage door, and it actually looks like insanely cool. And then the sides are gonna be this deep brown. So you'll see it once this is all off. But now that we have all the siding in and the trim, we can go ahead and finish framing up everything and close it in for real, for real. So the other garage door is right over here. So you can see from the back side, it's nice and white. The whole inside of the shed is gonna be a nice bright white for lighting and videoing for you guys. So here's the other side. So we haven't put the man door in yet, but you can see right there, we got the single garage door in. Again, this one's all painted black and it turned out amazing. So yeah, super sweet. And I mean, look at the end result on the roof. The black trim on the roof within just the whole roof in general being black. Let me see. There you go. It just looks super sweet. So yeah. So it's getting dark on us pretty soon now, so we've been doing a lot of late nights working in the dark. And so in the last clip you saw, I was showing you that we got the garage door set in. So over there on this one, we still don't have it where we can use it, and it's not functional or anything like that. But this one, we spent a lot of time on learning how to do a garage door because I've never done one before. And we got this one to be fully functional. So if you check it out, you can raise this garage door up and it works really nice. It's actually pretty awesome. So now everything that's in here can actually get out and it's not trapped in here anymore. So now that we have one functioning garage door, we're going to start working on the trim and the siding, which as you can see we already threw up a panel, but that is for the next video. But I wanted to explain, I mean, I didn't show us doing any of the garage door stuff because I should not be the guy you're listening to or taking advice from when doing garage door stuff because I don't know what I'm doing. I followed the instructions and what they say, and this is what I got as my end result, and I got a working garage door. So if you want to take on this project, just follow the instructions that come in the box. I'm not going to give you any advice because what I did, it worked, it was amazing, but there's tutorials out there and stuff, and I'm not an expert on this, so you probably shouldn't be taking my advice. But once we get this building fully closed in, we'll finish off the other garage because it does get a little bit chillier now, so we'd be able to put a heater in here and have at least some heat to work in when we do the other garage door because they're very tedious. If you guys want, if I was to ever do this a second time, I'd maybe hire it out, but it was cool getting a good understanding of how garage doors work. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this part 4 or 3. I don't even know what one we're on. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.